You got the best class.
Area up in here.
No, it is not.
I think there's enough cheese for 2 loaves.
My God, look. He was running on the track and then mine get 1 second.
I need more of this. So now what is on that? I'm going to add these carrots. I know it. Okay, y'all, I'm trying not to show me all over the place. I'm doing 2 soups. I'm doing one soup that, well, my version of the beef soup that I have in my cookbook, because some of the ingredients that it listed I didn't have, but hey, do what works for you in your kitchen. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm doing this version of this cheddar loaf that y'all just see me making. I did not get me doing the chicken soup on camera, but I was trying to hurry up and get that going because we want the chicken soup for dinner tonight. And that cheddar loaf recipe, it makes 2 loaves, so that's cool. We're gonna have one of those cheddar loaves for dinner tonight, and I'm gonna freeze the other cheddar loaf for another day if we don't go through that first loaf first. So I added everything to this beef soup. Now I got the chicken soup over here in this crock pot. I'm gonna bring y'all in closer. Hold on. Cause that's my plan. My plan is to shred the chicken off this bone for the soup. So I'm gonna show y'all this beef one. Ooh. I tasted a piece of the meat. It is so tender. So I'm gonna let the vegetables cook in there. Don't judge my nails, y'all. Don't judge them. Don't judge them. But yes, I'm letting the bread rise. I'm letting the soups cook. And I'm going to go sit down somewhere. Well, I'm going to wash these little dishes that I got in my sink. And then I'm going to go sit down somewhere. So, we'll be back. Okay, y'all, today it is the next day. I started all this Thursday, and it got late, and the chicken was still hot from the crock pot. My taco soup was still warm too, so I was letting all that stuff cool. Today, I don't know what time it is right now, 1-ish. Alright, I skinned all the chicken off the bones. So I got my bones and the skins in here. And then I got all the shredded chicken in here. I use drumsticks. I feel like it don't matter what chicken that you use. You can use the bones. I'm using the skin. I still got the broth in my crock pot. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just put this in a container because this is what I be doing. I've been doing for the last couple days. I've been taking, because I made chicken soup the day before yesterday, and I was drinking the broth from that. I've been getting into drinking. I've been getting into drinking the chicken broth from whatever chicken stuff I've been making. And I got some beef broth, yeah. Some beef broth, soup bones, beef soup bones. There we go, girl. Okay, I got some beef soup bones. I'm going to do that too. But what I'm going to do right now, I'm jumping ahead. Alright. I got these bones, and I got another little pack of chicken bones in there from my whole chicken. I was thinking about taking them and making some more broth. So I'm going to take these bones and skin and gristles and all of that stuff, put it back in this crock pot. But before I do that, I'm going to take this broth that I already got in here and strain it and put it in one of my mason jars. And then I'm going to get all my bones from my whole chicken, these bones, put it back in here with some water and let them simmer for some hours. And then I'll have some more broth. But for now, I'm going to take this chicken. I already shredded it up. See? Shredded up. I think that was 6 to 7 drumsticks. Probably 6 to 7 drumsticks. So I'm going to take this meat, bag it, and put it, I'm going to put it in the deep freezer for another meal. I'm going to stick to what I said. Half for soup, half for sandwiches. So I'm going to get this portion out and get this in the freezer. But I'm going to get over here and I'm going to drink my chicken broth or chicken soup. Alright, y'all. I got my chicken soup / broth that I'm finishing off from the chicken soup that I had made. The chicken soup. That and the shredded chicken. 2 meals in one. Hey, hey. That's how you do it. Well, while I'm going to continue sipping on this or start sipping on this, I'm going to get my kitchen cleaned up. It's not a lot of dishes I got to do. Just the bowls that I had, the soup cooling in, the crock pot dishes, and this little stuff. Everything that I used for the meals from last night and just now. That's it. I'm gonna start sipping on this, get this done, get this kitchen cleaned up, and we're going to move on to the next recipe, which is continuing with the taco soup and this other recipe that I did. Beef taquitos, however you want to say it, taco roll-ups, whatever you want to call it. That's what's coming up next. So, stay tuned.